Baby! Ay, princess!
Look, this is my little dress when I was little. That was so chiquita Casey.
A ver, bebé. ¡Qué bonita, bebé! ¡Ay, qué hermosa!
She's Stormy style.
Look at her shoe, look at her necklace. Baby. You take our picture right there, babe.
Take our picture?
Yeah. ¡Qué bonita, bebé!
Hey, yes.
Oh, wow.
Like a helicopter ride? Do you think it'll be worth it here in Houston?
No. I just shoot shots with my drone. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to the Galleria.
Again, cause
My parents wanna go.
Cassandra's mom wants to go. Don't be thinking we'd be shopping there all the time.
We don't even shop there.
No, we really don't. So we're here to the Galleria, and then today we might buy Camila her little chair. Her booster chair, so she won't be sitting looking backwards, she'll be sitting looking forwards
she's
now.
Over that.
Yeah.
Plus, she's outgrown her.
Look
Look at her little feet. She's outgrown her seat already. Like, ¿qué pasó, mami?
So she needs her little new chair.
Oh no! Ay, Camila. Dios.
So yeah, guys, come with us on another adventure. Ready?
Ready.
That person that you guys hear, that music, that is Omar.
That's not Omar.
Yes, it is.
That's Omar?
Yeah. Look at him over there. Little blue truck. Omar, can you turn that trash music down?
Why are you being a hater?
Camila's ride. ¿Te gusta tu carriola, bebé? Te voy a comprar una perrona hoy.
Cassandra bought something, I don't know what it is. Just chilling.
She's over there paying for it. Check it out. See her? Right here. What did your mama buy? Omar, my brother. Yes. Thank you. What? Did you buy this?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
¿Lo pagó?
Oh my god.
As long as I got money, I don't care.
Damn it, but this is probably the first thing you've ever bought me, huh?
Well, because I never had money, now I do.
Damn, you're so rich. Can I borrow some money, Omar?
No, not that type of money.
Here comes Cassandra. What did you buy?
A $40 bag.
That one was $40?
Yeah, but isn't it cute? It's because she's like, oh, it's 50% off. So I was like, oh, okay, awesome. And then she like scanned it. She's like, oh. And then she asked the lady. She's like, hey, is this like 50%? She's like, no. And I was like, well, I don't want to say now. I don't want it. I had to buy it.
See? Get him, babe. Get him. Or. Oh, you're so mature. Pinche Cassandra. No, bebé. No lo toques. No, bebé. No. Already rocking her headband.
Mira, ponla ahí.
Camínale, bebé.
She's so lazy. She already took steps.
At the house.
We're just trying to get her to take more. Y no me suelta though.
She's like, come with me, come with me. Oh, look, she's upset. Camila's first steps.
Bye, bye. Dale beso, beso.
Where are we going now?
We're gonna go to Bye Bye Baby.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna go Bye Bye Baby because we're gonna buy Camila some stuff.
What is that? The booster seat? I don't know what they're called, actually.
Those, they look real sporty for like.
I think it
racing.
is a booster seat, like a children's booster seat.
No, the booster seat is just a seat at the bottom. This is gonna be like something else.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to Bye Bye Baby and buy that for Camila. We're gonna buy another smaller stroller because the one we got is a little too big for the stores.
Too bulky. Like we can't even get through the aisles.
Yeah, and then
like without the
it's supposed to be like a running.
For running,
running is good.
Like we've gone jogging with it, and it does its job. Like it really good. But it's not meant for like an everyday stroll in the mall type of like se ganchan lo de enfrente la llanta y like you can't even maneuver it. Like it's ridiculous.
So we're gonna go to Bye Bye Baby, buy that stroller, and we're gonna buy that little seat for Camila.
Hopefully.
Oh, look, something happened here. What happened to that guy? Why is he driving on the thing?
I have no idea.
Why is he driving on the side like that? Let me buy. What happened? Alright, guys. See you. Bye Bye Baby. What?
And we're taking the baby like this because the shit is heavy, man.
She needs to learn how to walk, that's why.
We should like do little
workouts so you can get ready for it.
This is heavier than a stupid bar at the gym.
Yeah? That's because you picked up a bar at the gym that's not heavy, babe. Ándale, tú sí puedes. Mamá luchona.
Buchona.
We here? Bye Bye Baby.
We might go there.
To the LA Coffee now. Full.
I'm not.
There you are.
I'm not. It's already 5.
Mukbang? Who watches mukbangs? Comment below.
Me and Camila. Our favorite is the people that we recently start watching is Stephanie Sue.
Stephanie Sue?
And
But what do they eat? What do they eat?
She eats everything.
But your favorite ones are what? Like crawfish and stuff? Seafood?
Yeah, and noodles.
Noodles?
Yeah, so weird. Oh.
Maybe your child. What is it, tiny princess? Look at all the nice stuff. Oh yeah. What is that?
Right?
Oh, that's cool.
Here, Camilla, carry your own bag.
They make the cutest little stuff.
I know.
Oh, here they are. Damn it, these are pricey. Holy crap.
Told you.
That's like the exhaust from my truck. This one's nice.
I want it all leftover.
Oh, this one is nice. $3.99?
Told you, try me.
A ver, sácala, chiquilla. Sácala, niña.
Pero ¿para cuántos años? Kind of don't know what I'm looking at.
Come on, let's look at the other ones. We need to take her out. I think something like this, a little bit bigger.
I don't like it because it looks cheap. You know?
Oh, this is not it. Look.
Oh, porque mira, se puede recline, you know?
All right, so we're gonna find one and then we're gonna tell you guys which one we pick. A ver, we're checking this one out. See?
Look, and it has little like cup holders.
For whenever she has her bottle there.
Like
This one's nice, but this one's more clean.
Yes, if whoever's like has babies, a tip is don't go for like the grays and like the cute tones, you know, because babies sweat. Baby sweat stain. Like your porta bebé va a tener.
This one doesn't have it.
Yeah, porque pues aquí sí, porque lo lavé, pero ahí está todavía the sweat stain.
Look at me this way.
You see the sweat stain?
Yeah.
So guys,
So this one's nice.
get black. Like don't go for that cute. Oh my god, double toe toned. Because that was me. And
Aquí
no.
pa. Se duerma.
Do the test.
Para cuando la meta al burnout pit.
No manches.
Sí, she wants to.
Niña, va a estar así.
O uno de esos que tienen harness así. Mamalón.
Like your truck.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, is that where you got the idea? Not race
Yes,
trucks?
duh. Hey, we should get this one for real.
You like it?
Yeah.
Quiero preguntarle
¿A quién?
si esta es una buena marca.
It doesn't. It's 300. It has to be good. What you
No,
mean?
but like have they been tested to withhold like accidents and things like that? This is real life.
we don't need all of that, babe. Back in the day, nobody used to wear seatbelts. Everybody
Yes, they
survived.
did.
What? The little one. Come on.
Mira ya, mira.
Ándale, una de esas chiquitas. Damn. 200. The little one. Never mind. We're just gonna have to work with what we got. Camila, you're just gonna have to start walking.
Birthday gift.
Oh yeah, she likes to clean.
She can't live for free
She got
in
a
my household.
she got a little mop.
Like if she can help me.
Clean, yeah. A little bit the corners. Camila?
Look, and I like this.
Yeah. If it was a truck, it'd be different.
Amor con ella.
It's on this side. Oh, are you stealing? That was funny.
Should have ran.
Camila got a new ride. It ate crawfish. The stroller is back there.
Well, we can put it in there. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
I guess we just put it back here.
I think you should put it in the front. I don't think it'll fit in the back.
And then
No,
it's...
just right in the back.
Deme boy.
Look at the color. It says black diamond.
Damn
My
it,
baby's a
Camila.
diamond.
We should have bought the truck. It's not gonna fit there either. Nope.
Maybe if I put the seat back. A ver. Yeah. Oh. ¿Te miras bien delgadito? Ah, a ver las calves. A ver las calves. No, that's not. Ay, güey. Calves. You have some nice calves. What do you do?
I don't know.
Y no se levantó.
Nope.
Aren't you excited not to use that anymore? Like, and then taking her out, it's ridiculous.
Damn, guys, it was like almost how much? $436. There goes the exhaust for the OBS. Oh, I can't see nothing now.
But she needed it
Damn,
already.
$400, almost $500.
How is it that Camila is so expensive?
I don't know. Guys, don't have no kids.
Nah. You know, till right now, we're like, oh, kids are not that expensive.
But this changed my mind.
Yeah. I guess because we got pretty much everything in the baby shower.
Yeah. Oh, well, now you guys know what to get.
Yeah.
Like if somebody tells you, oh, what do you need for the baby shower?
Yeah. Tell all your family members just to split the bill.
Pitch in and
just entre 5 family members.
So you won't have to buy it afterwards.
Yeah. Because we got the crib for free. We got the stroller for free. We got the portabebé for free. We got the little moving thingy, the swing for free.
Oh yeah.
We got everything for free. Gifted, I mean.
Shout out to my our families
and
that came through. Families and co-workers and everybody else who came through with stuff for the baby. Well, I guess I can't complain, babe, because I mean, this is really the only expensive thing I bought for her.
I know.
So it still hurts a little bit, you know. A little bit.
My pocket.
Yeah, but they said that that's good for like till 10 years old. So
yeah. So it's not like we're gonna continue buying them.
Yeah, just a one-time spend. Can't wait to open it and put her in. And
I know. But then we're gonna have to like when we like swap cars.
Yeah.
That's gonna be annoying. The good thing is that whenever we got gifted the this thing, they actually thought about buying us. Well, they bought us another little car thingy. So we had 2. So we never really had to like
swap it out.
Yeah, swap it.
It's just take one kid out and put it in the put it in the other one.
It's good.
But let's go.
Let's go home.
Home, finally.
Home, bro.
Good thing you didn't splurge at the Galleria.
You did.
No, I didn't. I didn't buy nothing.
Yeah, you bought your coat. Your jacket.
Oh man, it turned out.
Not a jacket.
Let's go.